Hey there, it's Jennifer White with the MJW Group. I want to chat with you today about the supply chain, one of my favorite subjects to talk about. Supply chain, wherefore art thou supply chain? So, when you think of supply chain now at the tail end of this year, what are your thoughts about the supply chain? How has the supply chain shifted? If you are a part of an organization that has a supply chain team, what are some of the challenges that you faced this year and what have you done to overcome it? I'm sure your sense of supply chain has totally shifted, dealing with all of the complexities that this year has definitely thrown at us. But I'm just curious to hear your thoughts on what you think about the supply chain now. Should the supply chain totally rewrite everything it has existed for it throughout the years, or should we just pick up the pieces from where we are and just move forward? Think about that question and let me know your thoughts. I'm interested to hear what you have to say about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.